Bikini ladies, hot rods, and muscle cars coming up. This sassy looking lady and a 1916 Ford hot rod sea cab. Here's delicious honey and a 1926 Ford Roadster Golden Era hot rod. Wowzer. Here's a teaser gal and a 1936 Packard Club Sedan street rod. Foxy damsel here, woo-wee! And a 1946 Chevrolet hot rod 1500 truck. Here's a sizzling cutie and a 1956 Chevy custom truck. Fantastic lady here, and 1966 Shelby Cobra. Delicious looking woman here in a 1976 Corvette. Hubba hubba. There's a beautiful gal in a 2006 Chevrolet SSR. There's a hot beauty in a 2016 Hennessy Venom GT upgraded to 1451 brake horsepower. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.